As years pile on, you find yourself speaking less. Life's rough edges grind away at your edges until you're wiser, humbler. Looking back, you spot all that pointless drama you poured hours into, and it hits hard. You ease up on shoving square pegs into round holes with folks who just don't fit. Instead, you lean into real acceptance, letting go of what truly isn't. Sure, some connections fade out, but hey, that's not your whole book slamming shut. It's merely their subplot wrapping up. Quit sweating over her next move. Let her chat with whoever, shoot texts to anyone, chase whatever sparks her fancy. If it all crumbles on her end, well, that's her mess to clean up. You've got a road ahead brimming with promise and drive. Way too precious to squander chasing shadows who can't spot your shine. Keep your eyes on your own horizon and let her wrestle the fallout from her choices. When folks pin blame on you for stuff you never touched 9 times out of 10, it's their smokescreen, diverting eyes from the skeletons rattling in their closet. Ever notice how the universe holds back on your wish list? Often it's because something way richer, something you actually earn, is waiting in the wings. You'll cross paths with souls so genuine, so untainted it stops you cold. But the crowd around them, they've chipped away at that light until hurt becomes their default shield. If you're wired that way, gentle, open-hearted, you thrive with people who coax out your warmth, not flip every switch to defense mode. Think of a bloom wilting, it's rarely the petal that's broken. Blame the soil, the shade, the neglect, starving its roots. Nurture the space and watch it unfold. Mess with someone's world, their name, their peace of mind, with twisted words. Brace for backlash that circles back fiercer than you dreamed. And here's a nudge drop, the fear of folks slipping away. Flip it, they ought to sweat losing you just as much. Never dim your glow because you adore them too fiercely. Your value. It doesn't dip 1 inch if they can't clock it. Why chase what bolts at the sight of you? The real deal glides in smooth, no tug of war required, trust that. If she's all in, even if she's fumbling at the starting line, she'll hustle to get her footing right for you too. Spotting you as her fit means she'll bulldoze through doubts, fears, whatever, just to lock it down. It's that spark, that pull, to build something solid, overriding any early static. But when a woman's spark dims, she'll play it coy, hinting she's still into you, just swamped by life stuff she won't unpack. Then, bit by bit, she drifts until you're the one waving goodbye. Cut yourself some slack, open the gate to fresh faces. Why circle back to an ex who already hit the jackpot with you and fumbled it, cracking that door ajar again? It's like picking at a scar. Same ache, but now the mending drags on forever. Once they've slashed you deep and shrug off the damage, don't kid yourself. They won't melt over your side of the story either. Spill your heart, lay out the raw edges they carved. Crickets. No twinge of regret, no sorry in their eyes. They tune out because your voice doesn't register. Some hearts are blind to the ripples their chaos sends. Don't let it shock you when the fallout mirrors right back. Ever feel like the storm you're slogging through is about to flip the script? Hang tight. Divine timing has a way of twisting trials into triumphs you never saw coming. Your wins sneaking up closer than the horizon. Guys bolting from an amazing partner, rarely about her. It's dodging the cracked mirrors of their own unfinished business, the fixes they dodge to earn a shot at her league. With time, peace in your head trumps winning any argument, hands down. Get comfy cutting ties with friends who still ride for your ghosts, the ones who scarred you. It's fine to call time on bonds gone sour, the kind that poison your vibe instead of lifting it. Bad break hits? You've got options. Let it label you forever, crumble under it, or rise tougher, sharper. They don't swap you out for better. They ditch for someone blind to their smoke and mirrors, the games they spin.